All right, so programming languages, very interesting concept there. Um, Essentially, right, they just let us communicate with computers. People have created many, many different programming languages. Some that have, stood the test of time have been those that have been more powerful, easier to use, right, etc. All right, so one important concept in software systems, an important part of any software is the front end. So that's the part of the system that users interact with directly. So typically that means building the user interface. So a front end developer is someone who actually codes up those buttons, those icons, those menus for you to use. Another component is UI design, which we'll talk about in 1 second. But yeah, essentially front end is UI design and developing those, or I should say implementing those UI designs created by UI designers. So some of the languages we use for front end are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The people who just design the front end, so just kind of decide, what color should the button be, where should the button go, how many buttons should be on the menu, how many tabs. That's actually a different role called user experience. So UX designer. So UX designers, they actually make those decisions, and then UI or front end developers will just actually implement right those kind of mock-ups that they make. So UI designer might make those decisions of about where the button goes, but a front end developer will actually make the button work, make it functional. All right, so just to kind of get the idea through, the idea across, we're going to do a little demonstration. I'll be coding live. Um, Obviously, right, for our class, I'll be recording. I did do this live for my in-person class, and we just did a little simple coding and saw how the screen, right, responded to some of the code that I typed up. So yeah, go ahead and click on to the next video, and we'll start that demonstration.